10 plant-based smoothies to help you lose weight. If your blender's been gathering dust, it's time to wake it up. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in nutrients, and they can be incredibly delicious too. These smoothies will get you feeling light and bright in no time. Use plant milk, coconut water, or just water as your base. The choice is yours, and each option brings its own unique benefits. Here are 10 plant-based smoothies to help you lose weight in just 30 days. Each one is designed to be nutritious, filling, and bursting with flavor. 1. Green Goddess Spinach, Banana, Almond Milk, and Chia Seeds. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with fiber, it'll keep you full longer and help curb those mid-morning cravings. 2. Berry Blast. Mixed berries, coconut water, and a dash of honey. Antioxidants galore. Berries are known for their high antioxidant content, which helps fight inflammation and keeps your skin glowing. 3. Tropical Sunshine Mango, Pineapple, and Coconut Milk. This smoothie is like a vacation in a glass. Say hello to your daily dose of vitamins and a burst of tropical flavor that will transport you to a sunny beach. 4. Chocolate Dream. Almond milk, cacao, and avocado. Guilt-free indulgence. This smoothie is rich and creamy, perfect for satisfying your chocolate cravings without the extra calories. 5. Citrus Refresh. Orange, grapefruit, and mint. This zesty smoothie is perfect for a morning pick-me-up. Boost your metabolism with a zesty kick that will wake up your taste buds and energize your day. This Nutty Delight. Almond butter, banana, and flax seeds. Protein-packed goodness. This smoothie is perfect for post-workout recovery or a midday snack. 7. Beet Power. Apple, beets, and ginger. Detoxify and energize. Beets are great for detoxing the liver, and ginger adds a spicy kick that aids digestion. 8. Spiced Pumpkin. Pumpkin puree, nutmeg, and almond milk. Perfect for cozy mornings. This smoothie is like a warm hug in a glass, ideal for those chilly days. 9. Kiwi Spin. Green apple, spinach, and kiwi. This smoothie is a tangy twist on your greens. A tangy twist on your greens that will keep you coming back for more. It's refreshing and packed with vitamins. 10. Matcha Magic. Almond milk, matcha powder, and a touch of maple syrup. Stay alert and burn fat. Matcha is known for its fat-burning properties and provides a gentle caffeine boost. Stay alert and burn fat with this delicious and energizing smoothie. Blend up, sip up, and watch the pounds melt away. These smoothies are not just for weight loss, they're a lifestyle change. Subscribe for more health tips.